Just like when you're in the military, the property investment space has got its own jargons and acronyms. What I'm going to talk about today is LVR and available equity. So calculating loan to value ratios. The definition is the ratio or percentage that a loan is relative to the value of the property. So let's have a look at how that works now in a simple example. You've got a $500,000 house and you've got a loan of $400,000 there. The formula is the loan divided by the value times by 100 equals the LVR percentage. For example, on this one, you've got 400,000 divided by 500,000 times by 100 equals 80% LVR. So now let's have a look at a real-time example of why it's important that you need to know about your LVR and how to put it into play. We're going to talk about available equity. Once again, you've got a $500,000 house over here. You've got a $320,000 loan against that property. What are we going to look at? The total equity available is going to be up to the 100% of the house. However, in most cases, the bank will only allow you to have an LVR limit of 90% of the value of the property. So that's an LVR limit of $450,000, as you can see there. Because they're going to be keeping about 10% over there as a security for the property, so that they're appropriately protected from their perspective as well. However, the available equity that you have is the value minus the loan minus the security. So in this example, you've got a $500,000 house minus $320,000 minus $50,000 equals $130,000 of available equity. And now you can grab that $130,000 and go and take it away and purchase another investment property or put it towards paying off your own home. That's how you use it a smart way as a property investor.